How's it going, anime fans? This is E4 coming to you with an anime unboxing. And tonight, will be High School DxD Limited Edition. It's the front, it's the side, it's the top, and here's the bottom. And let's the other side. And the back. Let's see the special features in this. 12 episodes on 2 DVDs, 2 Blu-rays, English Adobe 5.1, Japanese stereo, English subtitles. It's region A, B only, and 16:9. So yeah, with 321 minutes. Yeah, the second season. I kind of been holding out on this because I know the second season came out on Hulu, so I didn't watch this, and I just waited for Funimation to license it and come to me in a box set, which it has the extras include High School DxD, new broadcast commercial, blah blah blah, new material from Ichigo Fantasy, Full Blast, Gentleman, Disc Club, blah blah blah. So okay, and it says 12 extended and uncut with wicked hot episodes. So yeah, this is pretty much a harem anime. It's supposed to be real funny, real perverted in a way. It makes me laugh, so I don't care. I just can't wait. Now, if any of you watch my previous unboxing from long ago, I didn't get the limited edition for the first season. I just bought the standard one. But this one, I kind of liked it. So, I was like, okay, let me get it. But let's open this, shall we? Can't wait. And this comes off. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see what. This is, I'm guessing the Blu-ray version. Let's see. And yes, it is. Same disc art as season 1 with this like a poster light thing. Pretty cool. I want to say a mini poster. And let's see the other one. Oh, this has 3 discs, and is it pink or red? I don't know, I can't tell from the light. Yeah. I like how it is.